What's up, my really yes? It's your boy. What is it, Thursday? I'm gonna find something to eat as usual, my people. Let's go. Okay. Let's go see how it look outside. It look like it kind of hot. Hot tamale. Hot tamale. Ooh. Okay. Oh yeah, this is nice. I should sit outside and talk. This is outside. Look at the sky. The sky's so pretty and blue. This is it. This is the neighborhood. It's so quiet. I like our neighborhood. Our neighborhood quiet. Let's find something to cook. Steak is on the menu. Okay. I'm gonna cook steak and shrimp. Yeah, steak and shrimp. I need to make my dishwater. You know me, I can't do no cooking and no cleaning without no Clorox dishwater. Amen? Amen. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. My dishwater's ready. Let's get it. This is for my sweet tea. I'm gonna make me some sweet tea. Sweet tea. It's a mistake. Is that too low? Olive oil. Good old butter. Leave that out for the baked potatoes. Rinse these off and put them in the microwave. Lettuce, garlic, pepper. Pepper. Marlow. Same thing on this side. And they go in here. Oh, next is shrimp. Now these are so good. Oh, so good. I don't like all the crumbs. Don't put all the crumbs. See though? Don't put all that in now. It makes it taste bad. Oven, your shrimp. Steak needs to be turned over. It said you could put them in the oven. We put them in the oven. You can air fry them, or you can fry them out. Okay. I think I'm gonna try the grease fry. You know I love good old fried. Okay, guys, my tea is bubbling. Time to make my tea. Steak is cooking. Shrimp is in the oven. I'll be right back. Sugar. OT. OT big as sugar. You should put lemonade in it too. I ain't gonna make no lemonade today. That's it. Even though I ain't gonna drink none right now, so usually we put it in a jar and sit it outside in the sun. And something like that sun and that tea soaking in that sun. They call it sun tea in the country. I'll make some to put in the refrigerator for later tomorrow. I think I'm gonna have ginger ale today. My stomach ain't a little weird. Okay guys, that's it for the tea. Let's get back over here. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator first. Let's check the potatoes. Ooh. They're almost ready. Back over here. Steak is still cooking. I like my steak rare. My pieces is over there. This is for my sister and my mama. They like well done. I don't. So theirs is still cooking. Shrimp is in there. Just wait, the tea is in the refrigerator and I'll be back, guys. Okay. Steak. Hey, steak is done. Oh. Got my famous shot. This is steak. That's done. Let's check the potatoes. I think they should be done too. I'm gonna let them go a little longer. Okay. Potatoes gotta go a little bit longer. Shrimp is just not getting warm, so that ain't ready. So. Steak is the only thing ready. So I'll be back. Okay guys, let's get these potatoes. Ooh. Ooh, let me show you a secret to juicy potatoes. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh. Oh. Butter. Should put a piece of butter on the steak when it. Alright, put a little bit of the steak juice in mine. I don't do it in anybody else's. I put a little bit of steak juice in it. Make that juicy. No cheese. I thought we had more cheese in there. I'm gonna use a little bit of mozzarella. I thought we had some yellow cheese. We don't. We're not gonna hold that. We're not gonna hold that. We're gonna need I ain't got no choice but to use the. Get up right quick. I could have sworn I had no cheese in it. Let the cheese smell. Okay. Waiting on the shrimp. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. The shrimp, I just took them out the oven. These things are so good, y'all. So good. And then there'll be a lot in the little bag. I'm surprised about that. It must be hot in here. Ooh. Okay, y'all, that's it. This is it. Here's my plate, people. Let's go in the bed. Steak and shrimp. Oh, that restaurant there. Surf and turf. We got a little surf and turf going on, guys. Y'all see the plate? Shrimp, baked potato, steak. I ain't have no bacon bits for my baked potato. Oh, I need a fork. Be back. Look at my ginger ale. It's frozen. Oh no. Okay. Ooh, I went and got a fork and put the fork down to grab the steak. Now you know that's crazy. Look. Woo. So I like my rare. I like the steak where you could just take your fingers and just pull it apart. Well, the hot, y'all, that's hot. Well, it's like, that is good. Oh, it smells so good. I've been eating the tail. Make potato. I just cut my baked potato and eat it. I eat the skin and all. Like, comment, and subscribe to your boy for some good old eats. Just straight pork, country cooking. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notification buttons. Let's get me up. Let's get them subscribers up. Love yourself and live your life. Because I do. Peace.